Okay, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about hash sets, and that basically means we're gonna have a list, let's say, but we cannot have duplicate elements in that list, only unique stuff. So first let's import that option, that functionality, by saying import from Java utilities. We're gonna import hash set, so set and not sets. Okay, let's create it, and it will hold strings. Hash set, data type string, name for it will be, let's say, monitors, like Dell, IBM, bank, stuff like that. So monitors, a new hash set, data type, normal parentheses, and we have something to play around. So let's add a couple of things in this monitor set. Monitors, actually. Add is a method, and of course we need to provide string like Dell, and I'm gonna copy paste to save a little bit of time. Three elements, three unique elements, IBM and bank. So let's print those things. Print line monitors, semicolon, and run, and there you go. So let's confirm that we cannot have duplicates. We're gonna run this add method multiple times for bank string, but result will be totally same down there. Only unique stuff are allowed, are possible when we are talking about sets, and you have them also in other programming languages, well, at least in some of them. Right, so let's get size of this thing if we have a lot of them. So size, how to get it? Well, I'm gonna copy paste this line, and on monitors, which is a target, we're gonna say size. Number of unique stuff is 3. With a little bit of a hard-coded report, set size plus real stuff, little bit of space, set size 3. Right. Well, can we check if specific element exists? Sure. We can do something like this. Check for element, and then we're gonna use this thing. And now how to get it? Well, of course, with a different method, dedicated method, contains. Sånt in a s, and of course, what are we searching for? For example, for Siemens. S-I-E-M-N-S. Siemens. There is no Siemens here, so answer will be wrong. False will be a result. There you go. What about Dell? True. There you go. Now, how to list all these things with the for each loop? For string, we are working with that. Let's use X that will represent any of these when we run into it. And what is a target? Well, monitors. Monitors, and now we're gonna print something. Print well, now you don't need to target monitors like this, and then you don't need to say like a get X, because that will be problem. Okay, we are not talking with the about classical list, we are talking about set. So it is just enough to say get me that X, whatever that is, in a moment of time. You don't need to use any kind of method on monitors here. Okay, and we're gonna have a list of all those things. Can we remove stuff from it? Well, sure. So this will be for get all elements, and now we are going to remove element, some element. What is the target? Monitors. Method is remove, and let's say we want to delete I don't know, like bank. Okay, run. Right, I don't see result because I'm not using this line to check what's happening. Let's do that, run, and there you go, only 2 elements. Can we clean this set? Sure. Monitors.set. Oh, it's not set, it's clear. Clear, and again, same method to check elements. Little bit of explanation. Clear all elements, clear all elements, and there you go, empty set. So all these operations are to some degree similar when we are talking about lists and sets. Nothing special in this tutorial. So, as always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and see you in next one. Source code of all these tutorials will be available on my website when I'm done with this playlist, and that will happen maybe today, tomorrow, because I need to record 3 or 4 tutorials more. So, thank you for watching, and see you in next one. Ciao.